I just wrapped teaching a brand new course, and if you use ON1 Photo RAW, or if you're thinking of using ON1 Photo RAW, that's what I do in this class. I'm showing you my exact workflow. I'm gonna take you from the very beginning. I'm gonna show you, this is what I do first, this is what I do next. I'm gonna uncover parts of these programs that you probably don't know. I've got Tack Sharp AI in there. I've got Resize AI. I've got ON1 effects on there. What you're really learning is how I've incorporated this into my workflow, which is really based on Lightroom and Photoshop for the first part of it, but then I come over to ON1 to do the things that either Lightroom and Photoshop can't do, or it's just so much easier. And there's an awful lot to this class. If you are thinking of using these, or if you're using ON1's Photo RAW now, come catch my brand new class. I promise you, you'll learn a ton, and it's exclusively at KelbyOne.